Hi, this is Anadi Madhu. I've come up with another video. This time, the video is on a topic which is very genuine and contemporary. Is income tax and how do you use the income tax money? So this is a simple topic. So income tax, can be levied in various form, and the immediate form is you put a tax. Government put a tax on income earning on citizen of India. If it crosses the basic annual income limit, government will put tax or will ask some commission out of that money. Now the question arises that government takes income tax from Aam Aadmi citizen, and mostly the income tax are being given sincerely by middle class segment of our society only. If you talk about the upper class segment of our society, they have some kind of business plan or some sort of alternative option through which they can able to skip or basically divert the income tax. But the main income tax or the main income tax money basically comes from the middle class segment, and the lower class are basically exempted from all the tax structures. So you can understand the middle class segment of our society wants to know that the money which government is deducting annually or monthly from Aam Aadmi's pocket, and if that money is being utilized in some fashion, then if that fashion is beneficial or is some way or the other being directly connected to that particular person or not. Meaning, I'm giving my money to government and I have not been asked or taken any discretionary for utilizing that particular money. Given a choice, a citizen of India will always say that this money should be utilized for this particular activity. But the government never asks Aam Aadmi or commoner for, or in fact, Aam Aadmi's discretion has not been taken into consideration. Instead, what normally for past, if you look at since independence, if you look at then 1947 got independence, then 53 and 26, 59, 53 and 26, 53, 73, 79, 79 or 78. For past 78 years, government is utilizing this income tax money of commoner in various development purposes. For example, road construction, mostly in infrastructure development. But the basic question arises that the United Nations of India has given priority to individuals' upliftment instead of structural upliftment. So why the government is keeping more stress on infrastructural upliftment instead of individual upliftment? So this is the question which comes to my mind again and again for past 30-40 years. Now what I believe, I've been to many countries and I've seen the income tax structure of those countries, and especially I will draw attention of Germany's income tax structure. What they believe that the income tax money should be utilized for the individual individual meaning the citizen of that particular country only, directly, not indirectly. So what they do, they will take around for our, if you talk about Indians income tax structure, it is very dubious. For this much of money, 2 lakh or 3 lakhs exempted, for additional LIC another 1 lakh, 1.5 lakh will be exempted, then above 5 lakh it will be charged, then above 10 lakhs another additional charge. A very complicated income tax structure, and because of which probably I think we need some sort of consultant, until and unless until and unless for us we have been taught how to calculate income tax in our class 10, and if it is not automatic, then some consultant needs to be hired. So anyway, the income tax money very is not being directly used for the development of individual. Instead, it is being used indirectly, and indirectly that benefit does not go very smoothly to the individual. For example, the government takes the money and he will go for infrastructural development. He will create roads, he will create hospital. So what I believe, that the income tax is basically a personal income tax. Individually that money is linked, though we are giving it to government, so that individual person should be directly helped. I'm taking, suppose I am earning 100 rupees and you are taking 20 rupees out of it. If the government is taking 20 rupees out of it, that 20 rupees benefit should be given to that particular person directly. Instead, what government is doing, they are basically building road out of it, and they are saying that when you are planning to walk or drive on the road, then you will get the benefit. Is it the right way of giving benefit to the individual? So if you see Germany's income tax structure, what they believe that that's what they believe, that whatever money they are levying from the customer, from the citizen, that benefit should go directly to the individual or the citizen. So what they will do, they will provide free ration, they will provide free medical facility, they will provide free lodging. In that lodging, they will give free electricity. So that benefit, that the income tax benefit, can be directly given to the citizen. Instead, what our government is doing, our government is simply building roads and saying that when you will be driving on the road or walk on the road, then you will get the benefit. So that money is indirectly being benefited, or indirectly being touched to the citizen. Whereas in abroad, the same income tax money is directly being given in the form of benefits: medical facility, ration shop facility, free electricity facility. So why our government is not giving the same facility directly to the citizen of India? Instead, our government is utilizing that money for developing purposes. It's our money given to government, such that with that money we get some benefit out of it. Why do you need a road? If my out of 100 rupee earnings, if my 20 rupees are being taken by government, I will say, government, give me something out of that 20 rupees. I'll not say that you build road on for that 20 rupees. Is it the right way? So what I believe, that the income tax money utilization is completely not up to the mark for last 30-40 years, and the time has come wherein the citizens of India should raise voice against income tax structure, urging government to give direct benefit of those income tax money. Meaning, I'm giving income tax to government sincerely, and government should sincerely give me benefits directly to me, in the form of ration shop, in the form of medical facility, in the form of free units of electricity, basic free units of electricity given to me. So that way there will be a one-to-one relationship between government and myself. So the time has come that our income tax policies need to be changed. That money, the income tax money, should not be utilized for greater good. Instead, it should be utilized for individual goodness only. And if that is possible, then probably all of the citizens, including the higher segment people of the society, middle class segment of the people of the society, as well as lower class of the society will get the benefit from the government directly. Just imagine if our income tax money can be utilized for medical purposes, individual medical purposes, individual ration shop purposes, ration facility purposes, individual free units of electricity given that way, then entire social security which we are from day one of our birthing we are fighting for can completely be eradicated or can completely be addressed smoothly. So this is my earnest request to government of India to see that the income tax money should be utilized not for the greater good, meaning infrastructural development, hospital development, all those steps, not for that greater good, but for individual good. That should be the target. You are taking 20 rupees as income tax from me, I'll get at least 20 rupees of benefit from you only. So that is the expectation from our government, from uh, from any citizen. Every citizens believe that I am giving some money to government, in return government should give something in to me directly, not indirectly. So that's all. This is just an awareness video wherein I just want to tell or I want to inform my subscribers, my well wishers, that proper utilization of income tax for the development of individual in the form of ration facility, medical facility, and free goods units of electricity should be the main target for utilization of income tax money instead of infrastructure development. So that's all. If you feel like giving a thumbs up to this video, please do so, and please subscribe my channel Ronnie Identity in YouTube and stay tuned for more updates and videos in the future. I wish you nice night. Bye.